With all the cricket matches postponed or cancelled since March, a statement came from BCCI President Sourav Ganguly on the possibility of staging the Indian Premier League in empty stadiums this year has given a huge relief to many cricket fans amid ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. While most of the discussions is about matches being played behind the closed doors, there is also a scare about the tournament being cancelled. However, we think this possibility is highly unlikely. Let's look deeper and check out some of the reasons why IPL 2020 will not get cancelled even in the coronavirus pandemic. First of foremost, the sporting world follows a strict calendars that are planned well in advance, and a cancellation in a tournament could affect the matches that are planned even in 2022. We will discuss how it affects in a multiple ways further. The calendar is planned way ahead of time means the pre-tournament deals are already in place. According to the Business News report, the sponsorship and broadcasting right fees are already in BCCI pocket. Star India is speculated to have paid a fee of 16,000 crore rupees for the broadcasting right has already been received by the BCCI. The money infused by various sponsors should also be in BCCI's account by now. Financially, there is a lot at risk to call up the tournament at this stage. According to the reports from the Duff and Phelps, a multinational consultancy firm, IPL's brand value has increased by 13.5% in 2019. The revenue was calculated at a whopping 41,800 crores in 2018 that climbed up to 47,500 crores in 2019. This shows the kind of revenue that IPL can generate. With that kind of brand value, BCCI, the most powerful cricket board in the world, wouldn't want to damage the brand value of their most prominent product called IPL. Apart from the money invested, there is lot to be earned from the cash-rich Indian Premier League. It is the premier space for the advertisers. In fact, as per the reports by leading Daily Mail, broadcasters Star India and the central pool of sponsors led by title sponsor Vivo estimated to collectively bring around 4,000 crore rupees this year, which include approximately 3,300 crore rupees from Star, 439 crore rupees from Vivo and 250 to 300 crore rupees from the other central sponsors to the table. This central pool will get a hit if a full tournament doesn't happen. BCCI and franchises as per the contract share this money on a 50-50% ratio. So, if tournament gets cancelled, BCCI would see losing almost 2,000 crore rupees, which they wouldn't want to. While these were the numbers that would prevent it from being cancelled, there is still a prevailing COVID-19 risk that doesn't seem to improve. Taking that into consideration, there is still a best possibility of IPL being a TV and digital only tournament. According to the Business News report, as many as 462 million viewers watched the league on TV in 2019. Star's digital property called Hotstar witnessed 300 million viewers coming onto its platform to watch the game. The ticket sales, which is a major contributor to the franchise's revenue, might take a hit, but this is the one possible option to run the tournament smoothly.